Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't mind my hair. I know, I just took it out from a ponytail. That's why it's looking a bit crazy. So today I decided to film a video on this look, which is my go-to everyday makeup look that is done in like 5 minutes or maybe 10, not more. And if you would like to know how I created this look, then just keep on watching. To start off, I'm just gonna start on my eyes. I'm gonna take a concealer and just prime it a little bit. And then I'm just gonna go in and set it a little bit, because if I don't set it, then usually my eyeshadow creases. Not that I'm gonna do a crazy eyeshadow, but just, you know, the shading in the inner, not the inner corner. So next I'm gonna take this palette, which is like a bronzer and blush palette from Bare Minerals, and this is literally my all-time favorite bronzer. So it just looks so beautiful. I'm gonna use the middle shade. Put it on the fluffy brush, and then we're just gonna put it in my crease. Just very lightly to warm up my eyes. And then I'm gonna do the same thing for the other eye. Okay, once it's nicely blended, sometimes I go in with an eyeliner, sometimes I don't, but because I'm going out today, I'm gonna go in with my favorite eyeliner from Wet n Wild. It's the Mega Liner. I'm pretty sure you've seen it before. And I'm just gonna quickly do a wing and then apply my mascara. And that's all for the eyes.
We will go back home today, until the very last hour. We still got a few more days to slay. It's gonna get so much louder. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything.
Okay, so I realized that I drew a really dramatic wing, and usually that's not my everyday look, but you know, I just don't have time to fix it, so I'm gonna leave it. But that's the good thing about this look, because if you want to go harder on the eyeliner, you can just make it longer and bigger. If you want a tiny wing, then you do that. I definitely wasn't able to do that. And I went pretty overboard, but whatever. So I'm gonna just do my mascara quickly on my non-existent eyelashes, because so many of them has fallen out. Alright, now that we are done with the eyes, I'm gonna go in with my trusty BB cream from Maybelline. I'm gonna pump a little bit on my brush and just spread it all over my face.
I wonder what went wrong today. Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say the words to remember.
Then I'm gonna go back in with my concealer and cover my dark circles. And you can literally go in with your finger. Sometimes I find that blends better and doesn't take off that much product. But to be faster, I'm just gonna use my sponge.
Linger between the words to say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul.
So I'm gonna go in with my Innisfree No Sebum Mineral Powder to set my under eye. It's my favorite. It just makes my skin underneath so smooth and lasts the whole day.
Fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go. Just let your body go.
Go in and do my brows. I'm gonna take the Morphe palette and take, I usually take this shade right here to fill in my brows with a skinny brush. And my favorite part is bronzer or contouring. So I'm gonna go back to the Minerals Power, my all-time favorite bronzer, and I'm gonna use the Glistering Topaz, the middle shade again, on this big fluffy brush, and just apply it onto my cheeks and then my forehead, and pretty much that's it. And it literally gives me the nicest sun-kissed look, which I can't wait to wear it during summer. But it's perfect right now as well. And I put this all over my face, even on my nose, everywhere. Everywhere.
Lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips
and it's definitely not a matte one. It has like tiny shimmers that just gives like the prettiest glow. And lastly, I'm just gonna take a nude lip liner, which is my favorite at the moment that my dog has chewed, and it's from NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the shade Sandstorm. I'm just gonna line my lips and kind of fill it in. Alright, so this is how it turned out. This is my kind of everyday go-to 5-minute makeup tutorial when I'm in a rush or going somewhere and just don't feel like being creative. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. And also don't forget to check out my previous videos that I've already created. Thank you. Bye bye.